Alright, what's up? Right now I'm here working on another GT-R. This one right here is getting the Borg Warner Twins EFR, baby. And it's coming with the full race. It's pretty much the full race kit. But just a heads up, when you buy this full race kit, it doesn't come with any lines, only no downpipes. You have to buy that. I think you have to buy the downpipe separate. But yeah, it's a pain in the ass. I think he had to buy this separate. The downpipes. And just some more stuff, like other little shit, like this stud here. When you put it, thread it down into there, it hits the bottom of the manifold. So little stuff like this is what, you pay a lot of money for this setup, and you still have to like modify little shit like that. Stuff like that should be already done. I don't think you should have to modify anything once you spend this much money on a full race kit. So this stud has to be cut, and also once you put on put the studs in for the turbos and you get them set down nice and snug, think you're about to get shit done. Look at that. Look at that room you got to play with, bro. Look at this. So basically you have to sit the turbo down, put this nut in there, and thread it down ever so slowly. That takes so much. And then like I was saying about the stud, but when you go up, you got to make sure that it don't hit the top of this. So yeah, this full race kit is really not a kit. When they say they're selling you a kit, don't believe that. But nevertheless, modifying stuff, getting stuff to work. When you do it, you have to move your power steering reservoir. So it's probably have to go over here somewhere. Let's see, I'm sorry. Have to go over here somewhere. So that's why these hoses here came. He's gonna get the relocation kit for a smaller reservoir. I think Chase Bay makes one that fits like right up in here somewhere. But we're gonna get that. And the recirculation kit. The recirculation for the blow-off valves for the GT-R, I think I'm gonna eliminate those. So I'll have to go in there and either block something off or see what the stock blow-off valves can work with. Also have to finish hooking up the fuel system. Pretty much just simply just run the feed to that side, the return back to there, but I have to make the lines for that and have to make the other coolant lines. We have steel braided oil lines, oil fittings, so that's another thing. He went with the GT35, the R35, excuse me, the R35 freaking coil packs. So it's a nice setup. I'm ready to see what this car's gonna sound like. It's gonna be pretty nice. Gonna get everything mocked up. Right now we ran into the dilemma of not having the correct fittings for the turbo and some of the downpipe and some of the return line for the turbo, but I think I may have found something that'll work. He got every fitting but the one that we could use. But it's cool. We're gonna get everything made the correct way, made correctly for it to work. Vibrant performance. So, and of course, it's going to be running a Haltech. It's going to be running a Haltech, which is what I'm going to get next. So yeah, big plans for this. Big plans. It's just a little update for what I'm doing right now. It's not going to be running today, but I'm going to do my best to get these turbos mocked up to where I don't have to take them back off. So, like I said, the hardest part is the stud and getting it to the correct length. But I'll get it there, don't worry. Don't worry about that. Well, if you guys did not go out and check out my video for the Pulsar, got things to do to that. That actually needs a lot of work, but I don't think it's enough to where a body shop can't do. It's just a lot of rust that I think is a lot of rust. It's a lot of rust. But I got plans for my car also. It's not going to be twin top mounts, especially not for full racing. Excuse me, not for full racing. But if you haven't, go out and check some of the videos. Check out my Facebook page, Nismology Inc. And my Instagram is also Nismology Inc. So go out and check those out. And peace. Have a great day.